Hey everyone, today we're going to replace a Stages SB20 Smart Bike bottom bracket. We'll start by removing the plastic covers and the cranks on the right hand side. The front cover has two 3mm hex bolts. Push inward while pulling the cover off. The side cover has 7 6mm hex bolts. Move the crank to the 7 o'clock position, pull down and away. To remove the belt, pull it towards you while turning the cranks backwards. Remove the crank with an 8mm hex wrench, turn it counterclockwise. Moving to the left side, we'll remove the crank and the cover. Once again, an 8mm hex wrench is used to remove the crank. Remove the remaining 3mm hex bolts and pull the cover towards you. The bottom bracket removal tool has teeth that fit into the side of the bottom bracket. A 12mm bolt and washer hold the tool in place. A 24-inch breaker bar will be used to loosen the bottom bracket. Let's go! Insert the bottom bracket tool and secure it with the 12mm bolt. Heat the area around the bottom bracket to loosen the factory-applied Loctite adhesive. Now comes the fun part. Use the breaker bar to remove the bottom bracket. Turn clockwise and be prepared to use a lot of force. Keep turning clockwise and pull the cartridge out. You can now repair or replace the cartridge. I use number 2 automotive grease on the bearings and blue Loctite on the threads. Turn counterclockwise to tighten. Torque the bottom bracket to about 55 Newton meters or 40 foot-pounds. Reattach the cover and left crank. Then reattach the right crank. Turn the crank clockwise and snap the belt on. Position the crank at 6 o'clock. Then gently tilt and slide the cover to the right. Take care to line up the pins at the front of the cover. Then tighten the side bolts. The front cover slides in place with 2 more bolts to be fastened. That's all for today. Check out pedalsmart.blog for more information from someone who's been there a few times.